Tonight, we're opening a file that changes the direction of the entire Julio Foolio murder case. A file written in pen, a file addressed straight to the judge, a file signed by one man, Rashad Murphy. Rashad isn't just another name on the docket. He's one of the most talked-about co-defendants connected to the events that led to the shooting of Jacksonville rapper Julio Foolio. And unlike others in this case, Rashad wants control. He doesn't trust the timeline, he doesn't trust the delays, and now he doesn't even trust his own attorney. Over the past few weeks, letters have surfaced, showing Rashad writing directly to Judge Michelle Cisco. Some letters are formal, some are emotional, but all of them send one very clear message. I want my trial, and I want it now. He accuses the system of dragging its feet. He says he's tired of waiting behind bars. And in one letter, he hints that the delays are violating his rights. You can feel the frustration right through the page. Then comes the biggest shock of all. Rashad files a petition to waive counsel, meaning he wants to represent himself in court. No attorney, no legal team, just Rashad versus the state of Florida. He tells Judge Cisco he's ready. He says he knows his rights. He says he wants a speedy trial. But anyone who watches these cases knows representing yourself is rarely a winning strategy. Before a judge can approve that request, she has to decide whether Rashad is mentally competent, legally informed, and fully aware of the consequences. Because once you choose to represent yourself, there's no undoing it. But here's where things get even more serious. Rashad's decision doesn't just affect him. It affects every single co-defendant tied to this case. A self-represented defendant changes how evidence is shared, how witnesses are questioned, and how fast or slow the entire case moves. This could speed everything up, or it could delay the trial even more. Either way, the prosecution now has to prepare for a completely different courtroom battle. Meanwhile, other names in this case keep coming up. Isaiah Chance, who also wrote letters to the court. Sean Gathright, with a criminal history stretching back to Mississippi. And the wild interrogation behavior of Davian Murphy. Piece by piece, this case is becoming more than a trial. It's becoming a saga. So, what do you think? Should Rashad be allowed to represent himself? Or is this a move that could cost him everything in the courtroom? Drop your thoughts below and stay tuned, because the next file is already on the way. Real reactions, real stories, real life.